Welcome to science video class of standard 1. Do you remember what we have done in our last class? Yes, I have explained you chapter number 12. What was the name of a chapter? We need water. So today what we have to do? Today we will do textbook portion. We will fill the textbook. So be ready with your pencil eraser and take page number 82 of your textbook. Ready students? Yes. So there is question A. Fill in the blanks. What we have to do? Here we have to fill the blanks. Number 1. We get water from where do we get water? We get water from rain. Which is the main source of water? Rain. So write here rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Number 2. Dirty water can make us dash. What will happen if we are drinking dirty water? Dirty water can make us sick. Very good. S-I-C-K. Sick. All of you have to write with me. Okay students? Yes. Number 3. At home we get water from blank. From where do we get water at home? From taps. So write here T-A-P-S, taps. Next one. We should blank or blank water before drinking. What should we do before drinking the water? We should boil the water or we should filter the water. So what is our answer? Boil or filter. B-O-I-L, boil. F-I-L-T-E-R, filter. Number 5. We should not blank our water bodies. We should not dirty our water bodies. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Completed students? Yes. Now next, number B. Answer the following questions. What you have to do here? Here you have to write answers for each questions. Number 1. Write the names of any 3 sources of water. What are 3 sources of water? Rain, then river, sea, pond. These all are sources of water. But how many we have to write? Any 3. So what we will write? River, then rain and sea. Write with me. R-A-I-N, rain, comma. R-I-V-E-R, river, and S-E-A, sea. Done? Yes. Number 2. Why do plants need water? What is the use of water for plants? Why do plants need water? Plants need water to make food. Yes or no? Yes. So write with me. Plants need water to make food. Written? Yes. Now come to next page. Page number 83. Number 3. Why do animals need water? What is the need of water for animals? Animals need water for drinking and bathing. So write with me. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Number 4. How many glasses of water should we drink in one day? How many glasses of water we should drink? We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. So write with me. 8 to 10 glasses. Done? Yes. Why should we not drink water from river and lakes? Think and answer. Which type of water we are drinking? We are drinking boiled and filtered water. Then we are drinking water from river and lakes? No, we are not drinking. Why we are not drinking? Think and give answers. Because it is not clean. Water of river and lake are clean? No, that water is not clean. So, right answer with me. Because it is not clean and can make us fall sick. Yes, if we are drinking directly the water from lake and sea, then what will happen? We will fall sick. Completed? Yes. So your question answers are over. Say next one. Name any 4 activities for which you need water. What are the 4 activities for we need water? Drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. So write with me. Number 1, bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. What is the next use? For which activity do we use water? Cooking. Very good. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Yes. What is the next activity for we need water? Drinking. Write with me. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. And washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. Completed? Yes. Now, next one. Cross the activities that make water dirty and unfit for drinking. What we have to do? We have to look at this picture. If this activity is making the water dirty, then we have to cross it. Okay? First, which picture it is? Throwing waste from factories into water. If factories waste is going into water, then it will make water dirty. Yes, so make a cross over it. Next, which picture it is? Animals are bathing in water. It will make water dirty. Yes, so cross it. Now, turn the page. Take next page. Which picture is this? A boy is throwing waste in the water. It will make water dirty. Yes, if we are wasting the water by doing this, then can we drink this water? No. Cross it. Next, shouting near a water. If we are shouting near a river, then it will make water dirty? No, it will not make water dirty. So, no need to cross out. Sailing a boat. If we are sailing in a boat, then it will make water dirty? No, it will not make water dirty. So, no need to cross out. Completed till here? Yes. Okay. Now next is verb chart. See, water. Sources of water. Uses of water. What are the 3 sources of water? Here we have to write only 3. 1 is given. What are another 2? C is given. What we will write? River and rain. Very easy. R-I-V-E-R. River. R-A-I-N. Rain. Done? Yes. Uses of water. What are the uses of water? 1 is given. Wash clothes. What is next use? Drinking. Very good. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Then cooking. Very good. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Completed? Yes. So here our textbook writing portion is completed. Let us meet in our new class, in our next class with a new chapter. Bye students. Take care.